Alright, y'all. I'm gonna pop this motor out of this Subaru WRX. I know what y'all are thinking. Subarus are gay. Yeah, they are. But they pay the bills. And I've been working on these bitches for a long time. Yep. Down my fucking armpit. I'm just undoing all the radiator stuff here. Upper and lower hoses, the fan connectors, and the mounts. Gonna pop that power steering line off of there. Just shove a rag under there so it don't make a mess. Just yanking that radiator out now. Got caught up on that upper rad hose and made a mess, but oh well. Just undoing these throttle cables. Some ancient technology right there. You kids wouldn't know about that. Now I'm undoing this alternator. A couple of bolts, pull the belt off. A couple of wire connections. That little green connector is kind of a pain in the ass sometimes. Gotta use a screwdriver or something. Just undoing that AC belt now. Look at that little guy. Sorry, I thought that would be funny. Alright, got that shit out of the way. That shit out of the way. Ow! Fuck! I know that didn't look like much, but that shit hurt. Got a real nice bruise under my fingernail. I had a customer show up and pay me, and I decided to mow my lawn. I was pissed off after that shit. Then I ran out of gas. I was even more pissed off after that. I guess I'll crank that hog out of there. What a Sunday. I'd say she's cranked. Got that motor out and on the stand, ready for the next steps. And that's gonna do it for this one. Gotta get this car out and get the next one in, keep it pushing. Hopefully not hit the Corvette. Thanks for watching.